This is a tutorial for Master Merchant. Search the item or use the scanner to scan the barcode. Click the Page Down button to select more items. Here shows you how to select more items and then correct it when make a mistake by delete it. Click Discount to give your customer a discount. Add money value on the total amount of payment. Select an item and then click Quantity Change or Price Change to change the price and quantity. After make any adjustment to the order, click Checkout to pay the order. There's a few different ways to pay the total order. You can use part of cash, gift card, credit card, or check. There's also quick payment. Just one click on the button of $10, $20, $50, $100 and the system can automatically calculate how much money for change. Click Inventory to manage the inventory. Click Inventory Maintenance. And here is the inventory you have. You can set the price by price setting. You can set the sales price, bulk price, which can offer a discount. You can change the inventory numbers, the price you charge, and if you set a markup price, the system can automatically calculate the price you need to sell. Click Update to save the change. Click Exit. Click on Report and this system will show you daily general report. You can see the sales, cost, gross margin, and more. Thank you for your interest in our products. And if you have any question, please contact 718-326-8888.